Hello ladies and gents, welcome. It's fantastic to have you here. Today I have this resin casted blank. It has some bubbles on the outside of it, but thing is it's very humid in my workshop at home where I've casted this, and there's nothing I can do about it. But deep in there it's rock solid, and that's what matters really. These outside parts will get turned away anyway. So anyway, I'm going to make a Christmas tree, but it won't be just a ordinary Christmas tree. This has a Thistle dried one right in the middle of the blank this way, and I used green, transparent green for the base of the whole cast. Some brilliant gold prelex from Alumilite, forest green, and fluorescent green. The fluorescent being heavier powdery mixture sunk down from what I see. There might be traces of it in there, which I hope it is, but if not, that means the tree will glow in the dark at night. So I think that's a good touch. Let's get started. Oh, forgot. I'm going to make a base for it as well. It either going to be out of yew with a lot of textures and burrs all the way around, or this offcut of oak burr. We won't leave it like that. We're going to turn it, but it's going to be like a hill and hollowed from the bottom, so we could have a tea light in there with a hole right underneath our tree, so the beam of light would go through our tree. I think that might look good. It's hard to imagine it, but I see it in my in my head how I want it. So let's not talk too much. Let's get started. Three-eighths spindle gouge. So I think that diameter is alright, and I've got a nice effect. I just finished sanding and polishing it. I love this trunk effect of it. Overall though, I'm not happy with it. Like I said, it was very cold, and there was a lot of moisture in the air, and all these like a spikes traps air bubbles in the resin, so that just messed the project right really. I thought I would be using this for other projects, but seeing as how it traps this much of a bubbles, it's not like reliable, you know. Anyway, it still looks good though, in my opinion. This part of it looks good, and if we manage to get the tea light in there, we'll see how that looks then. There we have it, guys. I've drilled so that the tea light sink in, and I've drilled up the trunk as well, all the way to the top, and as you can see, it shines through, but there's also a chipping happened when I was drilling. It was really awkward and a bit dangerous but it's done. And I think the burr, if I had the burr here, it would have stole the attention from the piece, and I didn't want to waste the resin. Just made the whole thing from it, and it worked. I hope you like it. The top part, as you can see, this little part is the fluorescent part. I hope that starts glowing in the dark. If not, it's alright. There we go, guys. I thought I'd show you guys a video of the light. I love the effect this Thistle is giving. Looks like a snake skin, but it's very challenging because of all the little needles it has. It traps bubbles. Otherwise, it's fantastic. Take care, guys. Bye.